In this video, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing for beginners, how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner. And if you stay all the way to the end, I'm going to be talking about the best way to start affiliate marketing for a beginner without a website. And if you like this video, make sure that you smash the like button, the notifications bell, and the subscribe button. So here I have a number of things that as a beginner in affiliate marketing you want to consider and implement. So the first step really is to pick a niche in affiliate marketing. So this could be the health niche, the wealth niche, or making money online niche, or the relationships niche. And probably what you want to be doing is niching down. So, for example, in the health niche, there is the weight loss niche. It could be any other area of the health niche, but weight loss is one area of health. And make sure that you choose a particular area of weight loss. So it could be weight loss for 40-year-old women, or it could be improving finances for teenagers, or it could be improving relationships for middle-aged men. So that's the first step, to pick a niche in affiliate marketing and make steps towards it. So one particular common traffic source or way of marketing is YouTube. And like any other website, YouTube is what we call a search engine. So a search engine means that people are searching for information, either to educate themselves or to entertain themselves. So if you go, so the way to find out what people are searching for on YouTube, you can go to YouTube, type in a search term such as how to lose weight. And when you type in a search term, it will list all the search terms that are related to this term underneath. So with regards to how to lose weight, people are searching how to lose weight fast without exercise, how to lose weight at home, how to lose weight fast for teenagers, how to lose weight at home for teenagers. So if you make content like videos and post them on YouTube on these particular topics, you are more likely to rank on the search engine, and therefore people will see your video. And if you post affiliate links in the description section of the video, people click on your affiliate link and you are likely to make a sale if they do buy, and then you get paid a commission. So that's how to find what people are searching for on YouTube. Now, the other thing that you can do is also download a free Chrome extension called vidIQ. And the great thing about this extension is it actually gives you the average age for the videos related to this term, how to lose weight at home. So this search term, how to lose weight at home, the average age of the videos is 2 years. Now, that's a good thing, because the older the videos are, the easier your videos are to rank. And so if you were to make a video and post it on YouTube, it would be easy to rank when the videos are older than 2 years. And so that's how you find what people are searching for on. So the other thing that you want to consider with regards to YouTube, and when you do find what people are searching for, when you do make those videos, make sure that your thumbnail, titles, tags, and descriptions are optimized. And I can leave more information about that in the description section below. So we've the steps as a beginner are, as an affiliate marketing beginner, are as we've outlined. Step 1, pick a niche. Step 2, find out what people are searching for. Then step 3 is find a product that people will buy. So if you go to a marketplace like Clickbank and you go to the marketplace, for those of you who don't know, Clickbank is a website that has got a whole stack of affiliate marketing products that you can promote. But if you go to Clickbank, you can go to the Clickbank Marketplace. Clickbank Marketplace, you can search for a lot of affiliate products. So if you staying on the weight loss, in the weight loss niche, you can go to the marketplace and you can see all these products that are ranked by popularity, and any of these products you can just click on promote and it will give you an affiliate link will be provided. Sometimes you need to apply to the affiliate program, the individual affiliate program, but a lot of cases you can just click on the promote button and it will give you an affiliate link that you can promote. So an affiliate link is basically a link that tracks the sale back to you if people buy through your link. And so, for example, in this case, the average amount made for the sale is $69.72. And this product, the average dollar per sale is $101.78. So you can go to Clickbank, find a product, and then promote it. You can see with each of these products, you can see the amount that people are buying to, or the success of affiliate marketers in the last month by the gravity score. So the gravity score is the number of affiliates that have made a sale of the product within the last 30 days. So, for example, in this case, in this product, the gravity is 544.85. So about 544 affiliates have made money with this product in the last 30 days. So as promised, I said that I would show you what the easiest way as an affiliate marketing beginner would be to start affiliate marketing without a website. So in this diagram, I have I've drawn what we call a landing page. So for those of you who don't know what a landing page is, it's basically a web page that you can send people to, that they can enter their email address. And I'll put the landing page builder I use, which is ClickFunnels, in the description section below. But landing pages, on the landing page, you can offer for example, a free guide for, as we're talking about the weight loss niche. So it could be a free guide for those who want to lose weight as 40-year-old women or something along those lines. And so when people land on this page, you can either send people to this page from either free traffic, like a Facebook page or a Facebook group or a YouTube video, or you could have the link on an ad, like a Facebook ad or a YouTube ad or a Bing ad or a Pinterest ad. And when people land on this page, they can then enter their email address. And I'm sure that you've seen this sort of page before. And when they enter their email address, they're collected on your email list. And then you can send them regular follow-up emails to further promote the product that you've chosen or more products, other affiliate products, or even your own product. Beginner, the steps are, first of all, pick a niche. Second, find out what people are searching for. On a search engine like YouTube, you would use the search function to look at the searches that people are searching for and then create content around those topics. Pick a product, an affiliate product like that found on Clickbank, and there are many other websites that you can look for affiliate products to promote and then promote it. And as I said, probably the best way to promote it is such that you collect email addresses and then continue to promote that product that you have chosen or promote other affiliate products. So that's how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner, step by step, and without a website. Would love to hear what you think about it in the description section below. I've left links for all the particular tools that I've used. Smash the like button, the subscribe button, and the notifications bell, and we'll see you in the next video.